Jay, what have you booked in? What the hell?
You can really see the difference now.
So, we're indoors now. Washing's done. It's a lot cleaner than it was when we received the car. We haven't got, or should I say, it's all gone now. We haven't got all this green, horrible mold everywhere. You may notice the roof has changed. It's now blue because we've removed the hard top, which is over there. We removed the hard top. So we washed it once with the hard top, then removed the hard top, then we washed this roof, the fabric convertible roof, separately. So the car is now actually really clean. We've just got one part of the process of sort of the decontamination left to do, which is to clay bar or clay cloth. So there's a slight roughness. Now, which is really interesting with this car. It was so dirty, so green and mouldy. I'm astonished how little fallout that I'm actually struggling to make the noise which you normally hit. There's hardly anything I can feel, so I can use a bag to help, but even then, it's gonna be hard to capture. But that strange noise is where this bag is floating across dirt. This side has been clayed. So we come here, it's quieter. But as I said, it's very, very faint. There's not a lot at all. So it's an odd car because we've got evidence of overspray, which you can really, really see. Crazy how easy it is to see overspray where the front bumper has been painted. We can actually see, and I can capture it very, very clearly, that this is more dull and that's shinier. If I zoom in, where that's got this really dull looking paint where it's dropped, it's sunk, it's sinkage, so I can tell it's aftermarket paint. Then we go up to the factory paint and we can see it's a lot clearer in reflection. So what surprises me, I was expecting to feel a lot more overspray and a roughness on the paint. I haven't. We're gonna use a clay towel, not a clay bar. We'll go over, we're going to clay all the contaminants off because we don't want those contaminants to embed themselves in the pad, in your polishing pads, because obviously we don't want to polish a pad which is contaminated. So we'll remove that, then it's cleaning. So interestingly, I can actually now see more swells. It's easy to see the swells, but the swells, I said before, are easy to polish. What I'm looking for is any more obvious marks that may not have shown before. And I can see a random mark through there, a rub mark. Doesn't concern me too much. This is not dirt, as I could have thought it was dirt. This is not dirt at all. This is actually some sort of rub buff mark or swipe mark. But when I come around the back, I can really see the swirls now on the surface in the lights. So I can see them really, really easily. So there's one other area. There's a couple of deep marks, deeper scratch lines on the surface that almost certainly I'm not even going to try and remove. I'm just going to try and improve. If I come back around this way, you'll be able to see the light is there. You can see, I can see the swirls there. Very, very easy to see. Now the car's clean. So it's quite a straightforward job. Really, I think we should just get down to polishing it, really. And then I'm going to have to use a selection of pads from the Lake Country manufacturing range because this has got lots of variable defects. If I see if I can get this right at the angle there. Yes, there we go. Hopefully this will show. If you come round and you'll be able to see with that camera as well. I don't know if you can see down low at a low angle, there's actually a lot of heavy damage on the surface. Harder to see because it's a silver colour, but it's really damaged. The bonnet, the hood, is really, really damaged. And that is definitely going to need a different type of polishing or different methods, or let's say a different pad than what I'm going to use on some of the rest of the car. So there's going to be multiple pad usage now for polishing on this car. Really, it's ready to finish claying it and get on with polishing it. Let's see how we get on, shall we? Let's have a go.